Hapara is software that the school has licensed for all of lower school and middle school classes, students, and staff. It is software that will allow you to interact differently with the students and their work that they do through Google Drive and through the Chrome browser. I'm just going to take a moment to give you a quick look at what it does, and then we can talk more in detail later. To get to Hapara, I go to the Google Apps grid, go down a couple of panels, just past Haiku Learning, you've got the Teacher Dashboard. Mine says no classes found because I don't teach in either lower or middle schools, but I do have the ability to see all the classes. So these are all the classes that are preloaded into Hapara based on student timetables and courses that we offer. I am going to go in and take a look at Natalie's Core 5 because I happen to know that she is using Hapara for folders for her boys and that the class is right now actively using the Chromebooks, which use the Google browser. What you can see through the dashboard is the different folders that have been set up for the students. These are folders that are automatically created that the boys can be directed to put their work into, and you can see a number of the boys have files already in them. I could, as a teacher, go in and access these files and provide feedback right now. What I can do as a teacher is I can actually put files into all the folders. So I can create a file once and drop it in the folders for language arts, for example, for all of my students at the same time. And in this way I can make sure that I don't have my Google Drive getting filled up with all sorts of untitled documents shared with me by the boys. Instead, I go to their drive and I know what the file has been named as. I can also go into sharing, and what sharing shows me is the files that they have in general. Besides that, there's a new feature called Highlights. What Highlights allows you to do is look at the screen that the students have open in Chrome. So if you want to be able to monitor how the students are using the devices in your class, you need to make sure not only that they are using the Chrome browser, but that they sign into the Chrome browser. These are things we can help you with later on. If the students are quite addicted to their Safari or would generally like to avoid you looking at their screen, so are going to use Firefox or something, that is also something you can monitor because you can take a look and say, hey, notice you haven't been in Chrome for a while. That's not a good thing. You need to get in the Chrome so that I know that what you're doing is what I've asked you to do. So this is a quick way to take a look at what students are working on at the time. Not only can I see what is on a student's screens, and these students just aren't logged in right now, but I can also send messages to the whole class. I can force open tabs or certain browser pages for the whole class. I can also organize students into groups through Hapara and share files distinctly with those groups. So this is your quick overview of Hapara. Basically, the reason that we think it will be helpful to you is it will help keep the boys organized by creating folders for them, help allow an easier flow of feedback between you and the students because it gives you direct access to the documents in their Google Drive, and it can help you monitor what they are doing in class on their devices. The bit of a caveat on that one is you need to make sure they're logged into Chrome, but that is certainly something we can help you with, and it's just habit building. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to let me know. We're going to move forward with some more training into Hapara, but there's lots of information on their website, hapara.com, and I look forward to working with you on this project to help make classroom device management a little bit easier. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me, and of course, have a great day.